declutter with me in my baby girl's bathroom. I'm going to show you all what it looks like right now. It don't look horrible in the bathroom light, but inside of the closet, it's a hot mess. It looks horrible, pretty bad. But yeah, we're gonna get into some more detail of how I'm about to do this. But I just want to let you know what I'm doing today and show you a little preview of what we're doing today. But if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you are notified every single time I upload. And we're gonna get right into the video, and I'm gonna show you all how the closet looks before, then I'm gonna show you how it looks after, and I'm also going to show you how I redo the baskets, because the baskets, if you've seen, were green and they're green and they're pink. So I'm going to be spray painting them. I don't have white spray paint because we are in the house, and since we're in the house and we can't go out, I'm using what I have on hand, and what I have on hand is, I believe it's gold, or it might be silver. So I will be doing silver baskets. I'll be doing silver baskets, and I will be doing some bows or ribbons or twine on it to spruce it up a little bit and make it look cute. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, spray painting baskets, reorganizing, throwing away what I don't need, and yeah. So if you like this video, like it, give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you are notified every single time I upload. Everyone get right into the video.
By the way you stare, the way you rolled up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Will you take me on a trip? Always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right. But when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. Trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the
Alright guys, so I have everything organized. Well, it don't look organized, but it is. All of this is my nail polishes and lipsticks over here in the corner. And from here all the way up to about there with the combs and brushes are all of my hair supplies. And then over here are all of my supplies that I actually put on my body, as far as like lotions, perfumes, deodorants, all of that. It's here, and then here here is where the liquids of what I put on my body starts at. So my shaving creams, my face moisturizers, my mouthwashes are right here, and all of my body washes and whatnot. And here, this is my shavers and some flosses, and also swabs for the ears, toothpastes. So all of that, like wash items that's gonna be like used for my body to wash with, is all right here. And then here is all of my moisturizing and perfume smell goods. And over there is my pamper section where I take my self-care, self-love times out on Sunday, and I'll either do my face, my nails, my feet, whatever I'm gonna be doing. Like, finally done with the closet. I showed you how it looked. This is gonna be the end of the video. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you are notified every time I upload. And I will see you